Hey, this is Erik at Northwest Custom Apparel, and today I'm going to be going over the benefits of having a web store. That's right, a company web store is we design the web store, put it up on there, we put all your apparel, hats, jackets, caps, promotional products, and you send your link to your employees, and guess what? They can order it just like a little baby Amazon. And the cool thing is, traditionally, you order over the phone, you get, when you come and pick up, you get one big box of stuff, something like this, right here, and all the t-shirts are jammed in there. Then you have to distribute to your employees. You don't know who's getting what. Then they go through it, and you're missing stuff like that, and then you try to go collect money from the employees, or just the accounting's a nightmare. But what we've done here is created a nice web store, and it's the organization and helping you is what we want to do. So everything is separated. So if Bob Smith ordered a extra large jacket, he's going to get an extra large jacket nicely packed into one of our bags or a box. So you come and pick up the order and just give it to Bob Smith with his order in there. Real simple. So it keeps the human resource flowing. So let me flip it around and show you a web store that we put together here that they're going to be picking up and distributing. So here's an example of how we sort all the web stores. Each bag represents an order. So this particular one, they have a jacket. This one's got another jacket, a black jacket. And then each one has, it's nicely labeled with the company's name. And then there's the employee's name right there. Everything we do here is local. In our factory, we embroider, digitally print, separate the web stores. We have a web dude here that can make the web store. Just give us a call. Here's another one going out. These are separated into boxes because I think they're getting a jacket and some other items, so it makes it really, really easy. So here's a view of our factory here. Everything's local, made in Milton, Washington. So all you need to do is give us a call, and a customer service staff will walk you through how to set up the web store. Then you send a link to your employees, customers, groups, and then they can go ahead and order. They can pay for it online, or we can do a net 30 bill. Just depends on how your company works, but we're here to work with you guys. And most importantly, we want to deliver quality apparel, excellent service, and more importantly, keep the headaches away from you when you're trying to order custom apparel, because I've been here for 20 years and I know the difficulty is that you experience when you're trying to put an apparel program for your company. But the web stores are definitely the solution for your headaches. So give us a call and we will definitely help you out with your new and exciting custom web store.